You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? The name of a stone. That is quite confusing for a lot of people because yes, it looks like it should be said as granite, right? If you want to learn more names of different rocks and different gemstones as well that are very confusing, make sure to stay tuned. This one is easy. It's said as granite. Okay, so let's break it down. Gra, not gra, not granite, gra, net. The E at the end is essentially silent. You can ignore it. The stress is on the first syllable. Both British and American English pronunciations are going to be similar. American would say a bit more open R sound, as in granite, granite, but it's very similar, granite. Now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.